Good afternoon. Welcome to Wednesday's Inside Look by Brooks. Steve Brooks here. Hope everybody's having a good week. Today we're going to talk about something that I take for granted. I've been doing personal injury law for 25 plus years, and sometimes when you do it that long, you assume that everybody knows as much as you do. But I'm going to go back to the basics today. I wrote a book a few years back, 7 fatal mistakes that accident victims make. And if you want a copy of this book or a digital copy, you can go to our website, brookslawgroup.com, and we'll be glad to send you one. But in the book, I wrote an article about 11 questions that you might consider asking a law firm before hiring them, and whether that's us or any other law firm. You always want to know how much experience that law firm has in representing injured people, not general practice, but I'm talking about a practice that is focused on injured people. You're also going to want to know if that law firm has been sued for legal malpractice. Obviously, if they've been sued for legal malpractice multiple times, you're going to want to dive deeper and find out what the problem is. Also ask if they have a legal malpractice policy, because if that law firm takes your case and somehow misses an important statute or some other way causes that case to go south, you're going to want to make sure they have malpractice insurance. You're going to have they ever been disciplined by the state bar? If the attorneys in that law firm have been disciplined multiple times, then you're going to want to dive deeper and find out what's going on. Does that law firm actually try cases? We've been shut down for about 10 months from trying cases, but fortunately we are back in trial this week. 2 of our attorneys have a jury trial, and we are excited to be back on the trial docket. And we like to be known as a law firm that doesn't just settle cases. We actually take cases to trial. Not all cases, many cases settle, but the insurance companies have to know that if they don't pay a fair figure in settlement, we will take them to task and take them to trial. You're going to want to know how that law firm communicates. Will they communicate in a convenient electronic form, or is it going to be an old-fashioned phone call, or a combination of both? You're going to want to ask what the qualifications of the individual lawyers or the lawyer that's assigned your case. How much experience does that lawyer have in personal injury law? Does your law firm use the latest technology? At Brooks Law Group, we like to pride ourselves on being a very advanced technology firm. We have a case management software platform that's cloud-based, so our attorneys, when they're in court, can access all of the information about that case. It's the newest and best. We have dashboards which drive the cases, which many of the older platform case management systems do not have, or they're very clumsy. Ours is the latest and the greatest, so we tend to have the best software. You're definitely going to want to ask if your law firm is AV rated. Martindale-Hubbell is a rating service, and there's a lot of ratings out there that you're going to see, but Martindale-Hubbell is one of the only rating services that is rated by your peers, by that lawyer's peers and the judges they practiced before. And the AV rating is the highest rating you can get for both how you practice law and the ethics that you use in practicing law. So your skills and your ethics. And I'm proud to say that we are AV rated and have been AV rated for years. And lastly, you're going to want to ask if your law firm is a member of the $1 Million Advocates Forum. We've been a member of the $1 Million Advocates Forum for a number of years. And that is another agency that rates based on whether you've had verdicts or settlements exceeding $1 million. We've had multiple settlements and verdicts of that range. So those are some of the questions you're going to want to ask any lawyer or law firm that you consider taking a personal injury case. As always, if you have more questions, we welcome questions. You can email me, steve@brookslawgroup.com, and I'll be glad to chat with you or give you a call. So please email me any questions. And it doesn't even have to be about the laws. If you have any personal questions about me or the Brooks Law Group or any of the attorneys here, I'd be glad to talk to you. So thanks for going back to me with the basics. And next week we will have a new topic. Connor always surprises me with the topics, and she's really good. So we will see you next Wednesday at 12:30. And otherwise, have a great week and weekend, and we will see you then. Thanks.